Welcome all of you to my channel The Desi Analyst. And friends, it's a request, hit the like button, subscribe, and please share it with maximum people so all can learn from here. So let us start with today. What interesting I have seen, I will share with you all. So when I was checking most active stock options, first I will show you in calls, most active stock options in calls. See, I highlighted TCS 2900 call, that is 2900 C of January, that is 9900 volume was there. Then I went in puts, most active stock options puts. What I found out, again there was TCS over here. See, I highlighted TCS 2700 puts. Put the volume was 13,500. So I was going through this and I found out something very interesting. But before moving further, let us see TCS chart. So this is weekly chart of TCS, CAS, NSC. NSC levels you will see. So on weekly chart, it is in channel and 2626, fancy number I am saying because fancy numbers you will remember easily. So uh, the support is at 2626 on weekly chart, and on upside the resistance of the channel is around 28, it will be around 2868. So the cash range is to be watched out is 2626 and 2868. Okay, so let us move back to options. And in option, see, when I was checking January option analysis chain, so I found out this on February. I was checking February also after January. See, in February series TCS only 3100 strike call. I will highlight. Sorry. Okay, so you can see, I will just zoom it. TCS 3100 call, only 2700 open interest is there. But on, see, put side I will show you now. Put side 2500 put. See the volume, 2400 contracts, 2004 contracts, sorry, 2004 contracts, that is change in open interest is at 5,95,800, which is been added today. So this is very shocking to me. 5,95,800 in a 2 months fast strike price. So I went and checked chart of TCS 2500 of February expiry. See, 2500 expiry as let me okay, so you can see 2500 PE of February series. The volume is 250k and above. Here red candle you can see on weekly. On daily also you will see the volume is there. On hourly also you will see. In 15 minutes also you will see. So let us see the volume over here. The volume is 6,01,200 and the open interest stands at 6,19,500. You can easily see that. So what is here? This is not a common volume or a common day for TCS. It means some institution is active over 2500 put in TCS of February series 2021. So we have to observe this. Mostly it will be institution only. Either one institution has bought or either one institution has sold out, someone has hedged. And the interesting thing is no other strike price is having this kind of open interest and this kind of volume, particularly today. So next few days, few weeks we will watch out, and definitely TCS will be in our list in February series. What is going to happen we will see, and you all can also track out. So this was the thing I feel I should have make you clear and give you live example. So in coming days, coming weeks, you can watch out and you can track this, and you can learn from this. Hope this will be very helpful and we might use this in February series. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.